what did we learn today, babe?
We learned that snowing sideways gets in your nose.
And your eyeballs.
And your eyeballs. And yak tracks are life.
And GoPro batteries suck in the cold.
And it's beautiful out.
I can't feel my fingers. You left Florida for this.
Yep.
Uh-huh. There's a lot of yellow snow around here.
It wasn't us.
Yep, she found a pretty tree. We're gonna be here a while.
It's cold out there and the snow is really coming down. But it's super fun.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.